right now. Set it there. Where is it? It's here. So that here we go. One, two, and get around. What? Today. Oh, yeah, it works. There. And then so and send. There we go. Now we'll find out if it looks fine or not. So if I say new game, tutorial. To become a programmer, you must master the art of turning the computer on. Ah yes, the most basic of things. I'm just gonna move that out of the way. This, like so. So, there. That should do it. Press and hold the flashing triangle and drag to connect the power outlet with your PC, screen and keyboard. When it's done, press power button that will appear in the upper right part of the screen. Congratulations, you're almost a programmer now. Okay. Like so. Then here and here. Power complete. That should do it. Tied across the printing press to turn the power on. Yeah. Yeah, it works. Computer is on. One more step to be a programmer. Feels like I'm back 7 years. No, not 7 years. Hold on, let me count. Never mind, it's been more. Wait. Yeah, it is 7 years. Never mind, it has been 7 years. Never mind. Error. There's a bug. Cat. Coffee. It is fixed. The cat is smart. Hold on. Wait. It's fine. Should be fine. Okay. There. And cat agrees. If only I could understand what that has to say. Meow. Program it. But we'll just have to find a way to recognize your speech. Meow. Goal. Cat speech recognition. On cat overflow. Okay. Enter nickname. Rabbit. Huh? Where'd the A go? Rabbit. There. Something rules. How to recognize animal speech. Hello everyone, can you believe my cat Slilladilla has debugged my code again? He definitely has something to say, so I decided to make some sort of a system, algorithm, which would help me understand him. Give me advice. Wish me luck, maybe peace. I'm not insane, my mom had me tested. subscribe to that cat meow. I have a cat. Don't rush ahead of yourself, making a device that will be able to detect the cat would be a nice start. You can work with video, sounds, etc. Then, when the time is right. Hey, a couple of days ago I've been reading about how expert system can be applied for detecting animals and writing chatbots. The newspaper was called Deep News. I'll be sending you my copies once I'm done with them. Okay, welcome to your workspace. This is where programming, magic, and bugs, mostly bugs, is born. Very true. To begin, drag an expert system node from the list on the right. Yep. Point. Drag the connection line from the starting node on the left side to... Yeah, I should be fine. I'm not in the way of things, mostly. Wait a minute. On the right side. No, it isn't repo. I'm pretty sure I had it changed. Wait a minute. It should be fixed now. Does it? Hold on. It does not say repo on my end. But hello, hello both of you. I'm being stupid. Where'd my thing go? There. Okay, if you want to delete, hold on, I need to read it again. Drag the connection line from the starting node on the left to expert system node on the right. If you want to If you want to delete connection, place your mouse over the line and press right mouse button. Got it. Bye. Alright, photo of cat. Up there. And photos with no cat. Click test run to check if the scheme works properly. Okay. Yeah, this seems to be working just fine. I'm saying it's working pretty good. Look at that. You did it! Run complete. Success! Final result, yippee! Time spent. 21 seconds. 21 seconds? Nodes used. 1. Okay. Hey again, I've tried that expert system and it hardly makes any sense. Squares are floating from left to right. Is that what the fuss is all about? Machine learning? Are you guys actually working there? This is called visual programming. Fellow dude. Yes, this is how it's supposed to work. The expert system analyzes your data input from the camera and checks if there's a cat on them. No, it's not what machine learning is all about. It will get hardcore soon enough. Okay. Well, I'm not very good at it yet, apparently. When do I actually start building a cat translator at 50 years? Don't rush it, friend. You gotta master your machine learning ninja skills. Of course. First, I'm working as a freelancer and the amount of contracts is crazy. I'll forward you some jobs I don't have time for. It will help you get on your feet and earn some cat bucks as well. Check your email out, please. You're still paying for the service though. You're still paying. But hey! Recommended jobs. Easier in gaming than in real life. Yes, that is me, Noob Advice. There's an auto help for each new technology, very convenient. I'll turn it on for you now. No need to thank me, but you probably want to change your password. My cat talks 123 is pretty obvious. Imagine having an orange cat that talks. I'm not looking at my cat. Behold the task tree. Errors in DB. Okay, this is the map of your progression in the game. Virtual progression stands for story quest. Horizontal branches are optional. I will most definitely do the optional ones because, yes. Icon colors stand for different types of machine learning text used in repetitive tasks. Yes, that is the word. Sounds pretty simple, or so we hope. Got it. A Spanish school. Oh no, not Spanish school. Applicants, good job from a public school. Summer exams have ended. The results are attached to the letter. Could you process them and predict which of the students will be able to enter the MIT? Want me to make a program that predicts? Okay. Data. See these colorful geometric shapes? They represent various kinds of data, numbers, letters, elements of images. Yes. In modern world, everything can be turned into data, and machine learning is all about sorting and interpreting data. Okay. Accuracy requirements. Long story short, your goal in the game is to transfer data from the left part of the screen to the right. These bars show the minimum amount of data that needs to be processed to complete the task. Alright, can do that. Well, here you go. Okay. So, and there. Do I want to save? I'm just gonna save just to be safe. Test run. That won't work on this task. Try changing color in the upper part of the exam note. Okay. Okay, sorry. Green. There. Why did I place my tea so far away? Should have. I'm gonna watch this just a tiny bit more. They released a program to complete the task. Release. Hold up. Tea. I'm not this. I just want to say. Okay. Wait, give me a sec. Wait. Wait. Alright. I have moved the tea closer to me. I think I may have spilled some. It is fine. Okay, wait. Okay. Go. So far, so good. Reminds me of 7 years ago. My hopes and dreams. It'll be fine. Actually, maybe I should change the page here. Maybe so, and let's change this. Like so. Wait. So. This should be fine, right? Yeah. This should be fine. Maybe. Actually, no. Let's go. Where? Yeah, that looks like a lot better, right? Sure. Next one. Errors in database. Hello, we have some errors in our questionnaires data. We can't solve the problem by ourselves. Can you please fix it? Sure. Ow. Don't hit your hand into a tea mug. That hurts. Okay, your efficiency is measured not just in money, but with medals too. Medal influence your story progression while boosting your self-esteem at the same time. Yippee! To get a medal, your scheme has to meet their respective time and nodes limit. You can improve your result later on. Okay. Trash can. In the game, this node destroys elements. Important detail, no matter how many trash cans you place, they will account for one node in the node's limit. Okay. In the real world, real data sets have a lot of errors. Filtering out errors is a very important skill for all data scientists. And confused, stuck, learn how it works, Morning. Maths, integrals, let's just continue. Okay. So really. And then 2 nodes like this. And I'm thinking we go this way, right? Just because, I could take it and go that way. This goes this way. But that looks stupid, so I'm doing it this way. Like so. What if I change this to blue? Do you think this will work? Is this how it works? I don't know. I hope so. No, wait. If blue up there, else down here. Wait, no. It really has to go the other way, huh? Okay. If blue, trash, else, pass. Okay. Come on, work. Huzzah, it works! I did it! Oh, that's nice. Good, I'm taking tea for that. As we watch it go by. Ah. Okay. Launch complete! Yippee! Time spent. Good, all good. Money spent. Okay, time spent. Okay. Okay, so did it good. I'm a good. Okay. So here again. Hello, it's us again. We found some new types of errors made by our users. Please update your program. It will be easier if you will use the previous version of the code. Proceed. Okay, deep news. Non-neural artificial intelligence. Mankind has always been trying to create an artificial intelligence. Before the invention of neural networks, people used expert systems. An expert system is a deterministic algorithm. I have to read. Which reproduces decisions of a real person. An example, this is Eliza, the very first chatbot in the world. It was created in 1966. So history lessons now. And talked with the patient using questions similar to real psychotherapists. It worked horribly. Of course it worked horribly. Hi, check this out. Not hi, that says hey. Hey, custom nodes or special nodes containing your previously designed schemes. Press on the middle tab to switch to custom nodes list. Custom. Drag the custom nodes, certain the color red to the workspace. If you want to modify the scheme inside the custom node, double right click on it or press the down arrow icon on it. Okay. Double right click. Okay. Fit or else. Oh, so that's how it looks. Nice, nice. Back out. It just wants red. Okay. Red. Else. Hip. Okay. But also, let me just click here. Red and blue. Is this gonna work? I hope this works. I'll test it. I'm crossing my fingers. Okay. Okay, it works, it works, it works, it works. It works. I'm so happy. It works. It works. Whew. I'm doing good. I'm doing very good. Probably. Maybe. I mean, the outputs are correct. I would say I did good. Yeah. Decision tree. How to recognize a cat in the photo. Hey, is there a way to detect the cat without using expert system? It works for text, but with pictures not so much. Furthermore, that cat just won't sit still. Yeah. Cats do be like that. That it does not. Try decision trees then. Those are like expert systems, but on steroids. Want to feel comfortable around them? Try Sift. This little devil is way more effective with pictures. Also works nicely when paired with other algorithms. Yeah. Bye-bye. Or you can use nails or glues or something. Come on. It's just a cat, it won't fight you back. I just know, please don't use anything I mentioned on an actual cat. Yeah. Yeah. The cat will fight back. They will hurt you. You hurt them, they hurt you. Different nodes have different processing rates. This parameter will influence efficiency of your schemes. Icons on the right indicate the amount of time required for a node to process one element of data. Okay. Decision tree color. In the game, this node compares output parameters, sockets, with an element's color. If the element color is equal to or only one socket's color, the element moves to that socket. If an element's color satisfies both conditions or none of them, it goes to a random socket. Okay, in the real world, decision tree is one of the basic and machine learning algorithms. Each tree knows a limited number of classes. For each element, the tree asks some questions and chooses the class most similar to the element. Okay. Okay. So, red, blue. Here we go. If red, up here. If not, down here. I will save it, because I never know. Okay, go. I'm gonna take my nice little, what's it called? T. Time spent, 11 seconds. Hee. Okay. Papa. Decision tree equals smart tree. Big learning. I'm gonna go this way. Hi, it's us again. We hope it's our last request for you. We've changed our databases, and can you update your code one last time? We need it to work faster, thanks. To decrease and increase speed, click a button on the screen or use arrows or Andy buttons to speed. Use space to pause. Alright. Like so. If red, here, else, here. Wait, no, it needs to be faster. Never mind. How do I? Oh no, so you should want to do this now. How do I get rid of this node again? There. I meant this one. Okay. Aha. Yes? Like so? Or no? Like so? No. Because yeah, that's just 3. Yeah! Like so, this should work just fine. Okay. Red, if red, here. If blue, trash. If red, here. Else, here. Yeah? Good. I mean, this is what I'm thinking of. But, you know what, don't we need to go fast? We could just continue it on like this. Ah. I did not get gold. It was fine. Nodes used. Ah. I see. Edit scheme. Oh, I have it. So. Okay. Okay. It goes red like that, and then anything else. No, that will be too slow. Alright. Okay. Like so. Maybe. Like so? Okay. Wait, no. That won't work, will it? Hold on. Because it still needs somewhere to go. Oh, shit. Here. Any. What? No. This is the max I can do. Could. But that won't really help. Wait, no, it works. It works just fine. Never mind. I have just the thing. You go like here. If red, continue there. Blue, here. Red, continue there. Not blue, there. Right? Will that work? I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, let's run. Please work, please work, please work. Okay. Okay. You can't process it all. I did it, but it's still too slow. Edit scheme. It's saying I need 4? What do you mean? Are you saying this equals 4? What if I do this? Okay. Oh no, because then it gets clogged. No. No, 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 no. Wait, what if... Okay, so what if... What if we do this instead? Which just makes it go faster, right? Like so. Only red fast. How's this? How's this? Does this work? I hope. I hope. I hope. I don't really know. This is order crash. Nope, fail. Never mind. Okay. Okay. That's a failure. This way. Like so. Here. Red fast. Fun. Let it run. I give. No, it's working too fast. No. Silver. Edit scheme. Maybe. Okay, so maybe it should be this way, and it should have another trash can. Up, red, red, red. Else here. Wait. What if still that? It's just another blue. Like rose green. Wait, would that even work? Yes. Rego speed. Rego speed. How does this go? Is it working? Is it too slow? Is it too fast? It works just fine. Okay. Okay. I'm doing fine. I'm doing absolutely fine. Okay. Next. Here. Greetings. Our company is manufacturing all organic all organic natural painkillers. They are used to decrease suffering, mood improvement, and coping with eating disorders. Known side effects including the dilated pupils, diarrhea, physical and mental addiction are caused by the human factor. From time to time, our workers picked around plants because they look like medical plants. We like you to design an algorithm that would sort herbs by petals, colors. Alright. Okay. Okay, so... No. Right. Blah. Blah blah. Would this work? Wait, no, how would I do that? Let me think. Wait, no. I wouldn't just... Okay, so run here. If red, obviously, it could go to both of these. No, it can only go to one, never mind. If red, else here. No, that cannot. Never mind. If red, here. How? Or green? Should I make it green or should I make it red? Green. If green. If green, else. No, because you need green on all three. Hold on. Let me think. So, say blue-green. If blue, go to middle. Just go straight to middle, right? If green, which will then give me red and green. No, that won't work. Wait, no. It could technically work, right? If blue goes straight, let's see, let's take red up there, green out here. I'm shitting you, this won't work at all, would it? Or, no, I have it. Fit. Let's start off with this, right? Red here, first red, right? Takes red, zoom up there. Else it goes to this one, which then is blue and green, right? Then blue goes there, and green goes here. Yeah? It's totally not gonna work like this. It's totally not gonna work like this. Alright. Test. I'm scared. Okay. I have a feeling it's not gonna quite work the way I want it to work. You know, it's not gonna work. This ain't working. No, too slow. It's too slow. This is too slow. Fail. Yeah. Okay. What a 50? Okay. So that. Okay. So. Okay, right. Green. Right, green, like so. Blue could go anywhere, right? Oh, it could go over too. You can have two incomes. Okay, let me think. Let's see. Any. Let's just say, if any, it can go to either. No, never mind. Alright, let's say both green. Alright. Is this gonna work? No, this feels like it's the wrong way. Let's see. If green, I mean, it goes either way, which means blue and red also go either way. Which means this should be blue. Be red. If blue and red. Or I can make this blue and this red just for. So, this blue and this red. And then just any. If any. Would this work? I don't think it will work, but let's go. Let's go. Come on. Please. Please. Okay. Okay. Let's edit this. I think this one instead should be an else. So, if red. No, if blue, you go down, else up. Like so. Alright, now run. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it fares this time. But it's slow. That's what's happening. It's saying this is slow. We can't process all this. Gonna back up. Okay, never mind. I don't think this is good. No. 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 Okay. Let's see. Okay, so let's go back to this, right? Blue, red. And let's just say green versus blue. Yeah? Green goes up, blue goes down. But then there would be no blue up here. Which means it's just this. Wait, no. No, that won't work. Any. If green. No. Let's just go red and blue. Blue only goes down here. So there is no red. Seriously, there's no blue. Yeah? And green. But no, it should be if green, go up. Blue. Like so. No, but that would put all greens there, then there would be no green here. Blue. Alright, test run. Test run it. I don't think it's gonna work. It's not gonna work as I intended it to. I'm sure of it. Completely. There's always gonna be that one part. Yeah, because now all green are going up there, so yeah. Of course it's not gonna work. Okay. If red. Right? If red, go up. But then there'll be no red down here. Hold on. Okay, maybe blue. If blue, go straight here. Right? Else go else. Else go else. Okay. If blue, go straight there. There's no blue, there's green. Else go here. Red and green. Eh? Like so. Okay. Okay. Only blue goes through straight to the middle. Everything else goes the other ways. It's too slow. It's too slow. It's not gonna work. So that's not it. It's not gonna work. Okay, so it does need this, yes. Okay, so red and blue, right? Blue. Or maybe this should be any, I believe. So that it goes like so. Any, so if red, go up. If blue, go middle. If green, go up. Red, go down. Or no, blue. If blue, go middle. Like so? Will that work? I have a feeling I'm just being stupid. I'm not smart. Come on. Let's see how this works. The accuracy is fine. What I'm terrible at is making it go in a nice enough speed. Okay. That one's good. Oh, I did it! Really? It was like that? Really? Huh. Oh, I see. Well, I did it. Ba-ba-ba. Air stack of a complete test with unlocked trash cans. Alright. Illuminati origins. Good day. I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to figure out the true story behind the Illuminati secret society. I need to recognize all the triangular shapes in these documents to solve the puzzle. Could you design a program that would do that for me? Okay. Sift. In the game, this node compares shapes. If an element's shape matches a designated shape, said element goes to the top socket. Others go to the bottom socket. Sift. In the real world, a scale invariant feature transformation is one of the most powerful non-neural algorithms for detecting features on pictures, which is essential for image recognition. SIFT is very fast and is capable of recognizing simple objects and patterns. Simple. Remember, simple. Alright, triangle. If triangle, go here. Else, trash it. Got it? Good. I'm having fun. It really is back like in the old days. And this is just fun for me. This might not be popular at all, but you know what? I don't care. It is fun. That worked wonderful. Let's see. What else? Okay. That's good. Doing good. Waiting for the man feels too easy, boring, or soul-sucking. Aim for a sky and become CTO of a startup. In the world of saving market laws, savage market laws is either, a sink or swim while you get rich or you bite the dust. It's worth trying anything. Excuse me. Okay, so what? Chicken escape or pizza shack? Pizza shack. Mama Smith's Pizza Shack. Hello, we're honored to invite you to join our startup, world's first AI-controlled pizza place. But our fingers are always stained with flour, and we can't really code because of that. Help us write and implement an algorithm that will be capable of separate orders for round pizza from orders for square-shaped pizza. Let's feed the people and become rich. Nice. Okay, startup scheme. A scheme created while working for a startup does not differ from any other, but there is no solution to startups. A scheme just works, better or worse, and your future profits depend on its quality. Alright. If circle, go up, else go down. Right? But first, I think I'm gonna get some tea, because I'm out of tea and I want tea. Where is it? Text. Getting more tea. There we go. Alright. I did a bunch of silly things with my mute. Dang it. How dare I mute myself when I was enjoying petting my cat? At least the game wasn't muted, so that's fine. But still, I'm disappointed. Cat roasting time. Would you please rate the game? Feedbacks are important and empower cats. Thank you. Alright. Well done. Yeesh. Okay. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Yeah, I want to show you if I can. 5 cats. Send. Read in a short review. Arranged. No. No words. Only 5 cats. Okay. Da-da-da. Chicken escape. Yes? Chicken escape farm. Hi there. My name's Sarah. I own a small technology farm. Our distributors demand supplies of eggs of different kinds, and it takes a lot of time to sort them manually. Okay, that's why we've decided to automate the process. We have all the data about eggs parameters, but we need an algorithm which will work without human assistance and with high accuracy. Okay. Job. Okay. So 2 nodes, right? If circle, go up. Else go to this, where we have if square, go here. Else here. Yeah? I'm sure this is gonna work just fine. Cause circle and square. Maybe I should go back to learning machine. Yeah, I should go back to learning machine learning. I remember it being fun, spending all that time on videos, watching it, and I think I may have spilled tea. Right. There we go. Put that down. Wait. Okay, there we go. Dun, dun. Okay, release that. Good. My store looks completely fine. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Crowd psychology. Good day. Our company is making a research on crowd psychology. We need an algorithm which would be capable of defining a person's type based on certain behavior patterns. This way, we will be able to quickly identify dangerous individuals in the crowd and prevent unpleasant accidents. We have identified the parameters to work with, but we need an experienced developer to write the algorithm. Oh boy, what have I got myself into? Okay. So, first off, if circle, okay. Now let's sort it into written, or maybe that one blue, that one green. If blue, up here. If green, down here. Circle and square. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Wait, let's start with shapes. Right. If circle, okay. I have one for circle. Need one for triangle as well. If circle up here. Else as it goes to here, which is triangle, right? Beep. So triangle here. Boop. I like to do it like this. Okay, so or maybe like so. And then like so. Circle and triangle, right? Squares are fine. Okay. Wait, no, it should be down. Like so. Where it is. Or it is red and blue. Right? If circle, go up. If red, here. Hold on. If red, go directly there. If green, go down here. Okay. There should be well, squares are fine. So really it should be triangle. Right? If triangle, go down. So if triangle, go down. And then if circle. Right now, if triangle will go downwards. That's what I meant. But if circle. So, okay, so now triangles. Basically, triangles go directly to here. But only green ones, so really. Green. If green, go down here. green, go down here, right? If green, hold on. If green, down here. If blue, no. This is triangles. Okay, let me think. I need to think. Okay, let's take this one by one. Okay, circle. If circle, go up, right? If circle, go up, but only red and blue. So really, both red and blue. Fine. So blue, green, like so. Blue circle goes through. Blue and red circle go through. Now you have green and red circle that don't go through, right? The green and red circle well, if it's red, it's fine. But green do not. Green goes down. But you also need something else. Okay. Which one you have? Red and green. Red and green here. Boop. So else here where it's triangle. Right. Triangle. Which would then lead to color. What we have? Green, blue, green, blue. So triangle, go there. Right. Else you have a square. But no. Well, it doesn't need that one. Because there would already be a square and triangle in the bottom, right? Yeah. But still divided into greens and blues. Okay, if circle, go up. Else go down, right? Actually, should I just make it square instead? If square, you have these two, right? Hold on. If square, like so, but I don't have that one, right? Goes to the else. If square, it can go either up or down, but only in red and blue. So it should be colors. Red and blue, okay. Green, not okay. So if green, red or blue, fine. Let's just take green. Okay, let's take blue. Sure. Let's switch them around. Like so. Square. If blue square, continue onwards, right? If green square, go to trash. Like so. Which is then triangle and circle. So, triangle and circle. If triangle and circle. If triangle, right? No. If circle. If circle, There. Then we need color. If circle. If circle, go up, right? If circle. Hold on. If circle. There. Let's take red as an example. No green. Right. If red. Up. Else go down. To trash. Right. Like so. Goes to trash can. Or actually, you just need one trash can. Like so. Whoop. And they can both go to trash. Let's go to trash. Because no. Okay. If green circle, go to trash. If green square, go to trash. Right? Okay. Then else, which is just triangles left, right? Where we have a green versus not green. Let's take red. I don't know. So, boop. If green, go this way. Else go trash. Hold on. I have a feeling this won't work. This probably won't work. It's the way I intended it. Let's try it anyway. It's best to try. I want to see. Well, it's not really working as I intended it to. Yeah. Wait, should I sort it by color or by shapes first to start with? Shapes or color to start with? Because this is failure. Okay. Scratch this idea. Hi. Okay. What is this? Red and blue. Yes. Let's take that one. Oh. Although red and blue, but we need it to be blue and green. Right? Never mind. That's red, blue. Hold on. Red, blue, red. No. Only triangles. Alright, this is only triangles. Only triangles. No. That won't work, because if I do that... no. Let's start with color actually. Beep, beep, beep. Alright, so let's see. If red, okay, else blue. B. Alright. Red. Now it's blue and green. Blue and green. Right? No, it'll be red and green. Red and green. Blue and green. Alright. Now we have blue. We have blue and we have green. Right now. Red, okay. Let's make this blue and green. So it'll be either blue or red. And this will be either green or red. Like so. And from there, you sift it into shapes, yeah? Or how much can go in? Oh, multiple things can go in. Wonderful. Like so. If blue circle, go here. Because I already got rid of green. So blue circle up, red circle. No. Else, if green, right? Trash. Like so. Okay, then if red circle, no. Hold on. If blue circle go through. If blue and his circle go through, or it's trash. Not trash yet. Go through. Else it will be another shape. Blue. Alright? Those two can be circles. Right? So let's see. Blue and red go through. This is the blue and red. Blue and red circle, they can pass through. Yeah. Green circles go to trash. Hold on. I need a shape first. Like so. Not square. Triangle. Let's go triangle. If triangle. If green triangle, go down. Red triangle. No red triangle. Red shall not go through. Red should go back up. No. Wait. Okay, so hold on, let me think. Okay. Get the colors. Pat down, yeah. Now we have these. Blue circle, right? Blue circle, go through. Else, go to a different one. Where it's either a blue square or not square. So a triangle, right? Let's move these a bit more so that I can With a better view, choose than the trash. Right? Like so. If okay, so blue triangle, right? Blue triangle, trash. Else it's a blue square. So it goes up. Like so. Actually, I think I have to do shapes first and then color. Back. I have to do shapes first, it seems. I got the colors down pat, so that's good. If circle, one way. Else, a different way. Where it's triangle, right? Where you have these here. It'll be difficult. Okay. If circle, go blue-green. Right, blue-green. Blue circle, up. Green circle, trash. Let's see. What the? But it only goes one. Okay. If all circles go up, right? Blue circles go that way. Green goes trash. But then there are the red ones. Red ones I will think about. Right? No, I have to go color first. Never mind. Color first, right? So, like I said, we have blue-green, right? So, let's see. Blue-green. Let's take blue-green and put it through circle. Blue circle here. Else, it's a blue triangle and square. Right. Put it through green, a green triangle. Right. Green triangle. That way. Green triangle. It goes there. Green triangle goes down, else somewhere else. So now we're left with squares in the equation, right? Where squares can go either up or down. And blue square, okay. Triangle squares though. A blue triangle square or red triangle square. Blue red triangle square. Blue red. And equals a blue red. Which was a triangle or square, right? Which then needs a different one. Oh, let's see. It's blue or red. It goes to blue or red. I mean, I probably don't need to focus too much on. Okay, let's think. Let's think this through. Okay, blue, green, right? We want the blues to go up. I'm gonna get rid of this. I need to think. Okay, blue, green, like so. Where we have a set path for blue, green, red, either or. It's okay. It's good. It's fine. Now we need shapes. Blue, circle, right? Blue or red circle, okay. If it's a square, okay. Triangles though, no go. So really, be triangle. Since square and circle are okay up in the blue, so really it should be if triangle, no. Now we only have the blue, circle, and square. So circle and square are good to go, like so. So, with green, right, it's either it's either green or red, right? And the thing is, if triangle, if green triangle go through, no, we need another color. We need another color thing where it is either red or green, right? If red or green. If red, right, and square. If red, square. Go through. Else, it is not square, it's anything else. Where it is either a circle or a triangle. Which means you can place it back to here. Where it goes sent to that. Right? It should be set to that. Okay. And if green triangle, right? If green triangle go through. Else it's green circle and square. Circle and square is trash. That should be it. Alright, let's save it and let's test it. Accuracy 100. Oh, there is lag. It is saying we have too many things here. Oi, you have too many stuff here. You sure this is gonna work just fine? It will be fine. It'll be fine. Oh, it'll go through. It'll go through. I believe it. Alright, now we're just bronze. Bronze in it. It's bronze. Fail. Okay. Okay. So maybe. Let's just put this to trash though. Like so. Let's see, does this work? Ow! Ow, that's my tooth. Ow. Okay. It's more like that one's just full of stuff. So it's trying to sort everything. Which is just not going well. And so is that one. It's just like, no, we have too much. And is it too much? Yuck. Well, I succeeded it, but how do I make it more perfect? Is there a way to make it perfect? Got the success. Right. Okay, so maybe I have it. More trash cans. More trash cans? Yes. More trash cans. Wait, that won't work. Yeah, that won't work. That doesn't matter. What I need is to lessen the load on the other places. So, okay. So maybe this if circle, right? If circle, trash, green circle, trash, right? Green circle, trash. Then you should be left with square and triangle. So like so. Will that work? Squares and triangle. Or should that be green? Green triangle. No. Maybe not. Like so. Okay, maybe a different node. Maybe a different color node. Ah. Okay. So let's see. Let me think. It's really. Colors should not mix together. Or like feed back into the color. Because that would be repetitive. Really. That one's a one way. It's good. Down here. This is a more trickier one. Let's see. Let's see. If red square, right? Red square. Red square. Red circle. Red circle. If red circle. Wait, no, I don't have trash here. Right. Okay. If triangle. Triangle go trash. Right. Blue triangle, trash. Blue squared circle. Continue on through, right? I'm trying to see if I can feed it into a different color. Because I already have colors here. Let's see. Hold on, let me think. Right. Right, okay. I think I have it. Right. We have blue and we have red. well, it's technically green. So blue, green, right? Blue, triangle. Blue triangle do not work. So, if not triangle, go here. Right? Blue triangle does not go. Red triangle, go trash. Green triangle, go here. Right. We figured that much out. No, I need the shape. Maybe should I start with shapes first, actually? Should I start with shapes first, or should I start with a color? Okay. If circle, go down. We shall make this simple. If green, so green triangle, continue on down, right? Green triangle, continue on down. No, that's one. It's this one. Green triangle goes down. Red triangle can go to trash can. Red triangle, trash. Blue triangle, trash. So, that's the triangle, right? But I should wait till I'm actually sure. That equals triangles. Green triangles are at least taken care of. Now we have blue and red triangle, which I say go to trash.